Hello guys, good morning. Naaday ta karon sa Sacred Heart of Jesus. Medyo dili okay akong tingo guys, no? It's because I was crying. Kay nabalik ko diri after 2 years. Actually guys, diri mi gikasal sa akong husband. And then nareminis lang na ako ang past ba because 2 years ago I was here. That was year 2023, the year that is makaingon ko the worst year that ever happened to my life. Kay grabe ni nga year guys, no? This year was full of deception, full of betrayal, and then full of kanang pain. Ningari day ko guys kay para magpatatak sa ko ang pilgrim passport. Naka-remember ko guys, diri ko ning dangop sa una. Katong time nga I don't know what to do. Kay I was shaken. And then here guys, nagpray ko din I submit myself to God. So I said, I even questioned God, why does it happen to me? Nga naman nga every Sunday mo simba man ko, magpray man ko nimo, manawag man ko nimo, magampo man ko nimo. But then gano imo man experience ako kaning betrayal. So mo to guys, while praying, while crying here, because that time I was alone, and then somebody came in. It's a woman. Babae siya guys, naa siya sa mga around 50s man siguro to. And then she saw me crying, so she said, Can I hug you? Do you need my hug? So without hesitation, I hug her. I don't know who she is actually. Siguro kung saan siya diri ka ng parishioner whatsoever. But to that woman, gipray gid na ko siya nga, Lord, thank you for sending somebody to hug me. But I know that was you. That was you, Lord. Ningon jud ko sa Ginoo. And I thank you. And I thank you, Lord, for touching my life. Actually guys, sentimental kay ko diri. Kay grabe kayo ni siya og kanang kuan nga church magud. Grabe kay siya og sentimental value ba kay diri bigi kasal. And then isa lang ang ako lang dyan ma-advise sa mga banaw og asawa, kung naman may problema kamo ba nag-asawa, you have to talk it out. You have to discuss kung unsay makaayo sa inyong marriage. And then always put God at the center of your marriage. Kay once ang isa na ang mawala sa naiusa sa inyo guys, ang mawala sa guidance sa Ginoo, that's the time nga mo take over. That's the time nga mo take over si Satan.